Hi, Frith here, and welcome to your week 8 of learning at home for National 5 Chemistry. This video is going to explain what your tasks are for this week. I've deliberately made it almost the same as last week where you were looking at revision of Unit 1. This is going to be really similar, except it's going to be revision of Unit 2 and Unit 3. Okay, so you're watching this video. First thing I want you to do is I want you to go to the PowerPoint and click on this survey. It's going to be a survey that's going to basically ask your opinion about how Nat 5 is being taught, Nat 5 chemistry is being taught at home at the moment. What you like, what you don't like, what you think could be doing better, or how you would rather things were done to help you learn the way that you can. Okay. I will then use the results of this in order to improve home learning for the next while. Make sure that your lessons for chemistry are as good as they can be to ensure that you are learning as well as you can, so that when we come back, it will be an easier time to get you ready for any assessments that need to get done. Okay, so please fill that out. Be as honest as you can. If you think I'm doing an awful job, please tell me. I need to know that. Okay, so once you've done that, then can you complete the worksheet, which has some really basic questions based on every topic. Same as again last week. Don't spend ages doing this. And if you already have an idea of the topics from Unit 2 and 3 that you need to work on, feel free to skip this. This is not required. It's just there to help you understand what topics you should be focusing on for today. If you've already got an idea of that, absolutely fine. Feel free to skip ahead to part 2. Okay. Once you've done that, once you've marked it, and once you know which topics you struggled with, same as last week. Watch the revision video that will be linked in the Teams post. Complete the mind map questions for that topic. That will be linked in the Teams post, and try some past paper questions from that topic, which is on this slide. Okay, so the 6 topics we're looking at today is homologous series, everyday consumer products, energy from fuels, all from Unit 2. And then the 3 topics from Unit 3 we've already completed, which is plastics, fertilizers, and nuclear chemistry. Okay, the link to the website with all the past papers is here. You will find the 2018 paper there, and you will also find the marking scheme for the 2018 paper. The only one that doesn't have a marking scheme is question 17 of everyday consumer products, but that's because that is a open-ended question. And fair warning, it's a decent open-ended question, but it requires knowledge from homologous series and everyday consumer products to answer as well as you can. Okay. Second part of lesson 14, that shouldn't say 14, that should say 16, is another Kahoot quiz. So same as last week, please join about 40 minutes before the end of your slot, so that we can do a Kahoot based on everything from Unit 2 and 3 that you've already covered so far. That should say Unit 2 and 3 as well. Okay. Next week, what we're going to do is we're going to start the final topic, which is the metals topic. It's the last topic that you need to cover for Nat 5. We have done everything else. And then after we finish that topic, then it's purely getting you ready for any assessments that we're going to do with you. Okay, it's exciting that we're near the end. Almost learned all the new content that we need to, just one more topic to go. And then it's purely getting you guys ready, which don't worry about, we will do. You will be ready. Okay, so that is what you're doing today. Remember that I will be on Teams for the 4D column, and Miss Ballantyne will be on Teams for the 4G column. Please ask any questions, leave a comment on the Teams post. Feel free to email whoever is in charge of your Teams slot, or actually any of the chemistry teachers. We are there to help you as much as we can. There is also the option of commenting on the Show My Homework post for today, which your teacher will get back to you as soon as they can. Okay, but the fastest way is to comment on Teams or email your teacher in charge of your team slot. Okay, but please ask questions. Use this time really well to catch up on a topic you might not be struggling. You might be struggling with, and yeah, please ask away. Okay, have a good lesson, guys, and I shall see you all very soon. Bye.